Hey everyone, my name is Sean Luce, Technical Marketing Engineer for Azure NetApp Files, and this is Quick Bytes. Today, I want to show you the recently updated Azure NetApp Files Performance Calculator. This sizing tool can help you choose the appropriate size, volume, and service level for your workloads. It provides an estimated total cost of ownership and can even help you reduce costs by showing you the least expensive configuration based on the given requirements. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you might use this tool using 3 different sample workloads. Before we get into the demo, let's take a look at the latest updates. The Azure NetApp Files Performance Calculator now supports smaller 2 TB capacity pools. These are great for saving some money in smaller environments. It also supports large volumes. These are volumes up to 500 TB in size, great for workloads that need increased capacity and performance. We've also added Japanese language support. It should auto-detect, but you can also select your language at the top of the page. And finally, it now shows estimated backup and replication costs. Just enter your estimated daily change rate, and the calculator will take care of the rest. It is important to note that this sizing tool focuses on capacity pools and volumes that are configured for automatic quality of service. This is also referred to as Auto QoS. With Auto QoS, throughput is assigned automatically proportional to the size of the volume. The bigger the volume, the more throughput is allocated. Azure NetApp Files also supports manual quality of service if you need to control size and throughput independently. Let's take a look at how you might use the Azure NetApp Files Performance Calculator to size a few sample workloads. First, let's consider a database workload that has a capacity requirement of 15 TB and a throughput requirement of 1600 MB per second. Notice that all 3 service levels are able to meet the requirements. However, the most cost-effective option is Ultra. For Standard and Premium, we would need to over-provision our capacity to meet the performance requirements. For our second example, let's consider an HPC workload with a capacity requirement of 300 TB and a throughput requirement of 6,000 MB per second. Because the capacity requirement is larger than 100 TB, this workload would be best served by a large volume. Large volumes are defined as volumes larger than 100 TB all the way up to 500 TB. Large volumes are allocated their maximum throughput regardless of their size. In this scenario, a 300 TB large volume will provide plenty of performance for our HPC workload. For our third and final example, we'd like to expand our available datastore capacity within our Azure VMware Solution environment. We need an additional 100 TB of capacity to store additional virtual machines. We anticipate the throughput requirement for these virtual machines to be a combined 1500 MB per second. As you can see, all 3 service levels are able to meet these requirements. However, by choosing Standard, we can save a significant amount of money compared to Premium or Ultra. To check out the Azure NetApp Files Performance Calculator, head on over to aka.ms/ANFCalc or scan the QR code below. Thanks for watching.